Hello guys, good afternoon. We're back again at the Full Force Fitness Gym Center. This afternoon, I'll show to you the variety of tricep for beginners, and after that, for a little bit harder, a bit tricep, how to do it in a proper way. And there's a variety of tricep, how to use it or do it. So always be aware, guys. Precaution what you're doing in the gym, guys. Okay, so let's get started, guys. This is a one set practice. You have to build a bit and make sure you squeeze. Okay, guys, that's one sit done. Make sure don't too rush and not like too heavy, you know. Just adjust the weight which is comfortable with you. Like I said, don't rush. In tricep, you can use ropes, bars, and dumbbells. And now we try this one, the bar, guys. Squeeze into the squeeze. See it engaging there, guys. Now we're gonna do the most basic tricep that we do. That's done. So probably another couple sets of tricep, and we're good for the afternoon. See the gym, guys, is too quiet. Yeah, not too bad too. Saturday afternoon here in Canada, and Philippines is probably around 2, 3 in the morning right now. Okay, so now we have adjusted this sit a bit, so this is a little bit harder tricep routine. Excuse my delays again, guys. See this one engage. See the tricep right here, guys. Make sure you properly go on the knee. Squeeze. 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 Not just like the tricep helping this, guys, the shoulder strap and the forearms as well. Squeeze. 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 That a bit harder tricep routine. Like I said, you can use bars, dumbbells, and ropes. And now this one, another way, guys. Probably this is the last. Sorry again, guys, my delay again. Make sure proper form, guys. Technique. Squeeze. 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 You have to be careful when you do that routine because this is a little bit harder. Make sure the proper form and technique. Otherwise, you injure your back or your elbow, sprain some muscles. And probably this is the last set, guys. For the tricep, I'll see you. See the movement there, guys? The muscle engaging. Squeeze. That's a bit hard, guys. Yeah, probably that's it for the afternoon. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you next time, guys. Peace out.